But does that mean you're going to stay there? No. People are leaving because people are realizing we're now living in a global economy and people can move to different countries, move around to different areas and earn a living and be financially stable. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, I will be going over just to find out what are your views, what are your take, what is it that you believe is the reason for Jamaica teacher shortage. I've been hearing rumors. I'm not sure if you saw my video on IG. You can check out my IG page at Kicking with Dr. Britton. I'm hearing rumors that I'm a part of the reason, or some people are saying I'm the reason why teachers are leaving Jamaica. And I can tell you right off the bat that is not true, because I'm sure there are some Jamaican teachers that are not even aware that I exist. So how could that be? Teachers are leaving the classroom. What are the reasons why they're leaving? Teachers! We need to get down to the bottom of this to find out why they're not staying, why they're seeking employment opportunities in different countries, not just the United States, but also in England, in Japan, in China, just about wherever they can go to find that teaching opportunity to make life easier for them. So we're going to get straight into this right after I take the time to thank my viewers who reached out to me to find out if I was okay, when was I going to be posting videos. I really appreciate you guys. For those who don't know, I recently lost my mom, so I was off for a while, but I'm back and I will be back with informative videos like this one and so many more to come. You need to be on the lookout. If you have not subscribed to this channel as yet, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to turn your notification bells on. Let's go straight into the video. First and foremost, I've been told straight to the face, and I've heard along the way that I am the reason for the teacher shortage in Jamaica. That is not true. I could not be the reason. Every single teacher that made the decision to leave the classroom made that decision based on their personal experience, their lifestyle, and how they felt being in the classroom. Now, if you were to say I'm the reason, I guess it would be safe to say that I'm also the reason why teachers from other countries, not just Jamaica, are leaving the classroom to take up teaching jobs in other countries. I say this because this platform does not only cater to Jamaican teachers. I can assure you, teachers from different countries, the Caribbean, different walks of life. Teachers reach out to me privately as well as on the platform. They share their experience, they share their needs, and I'm telling you, they're not just Jamaicans. So then if I'm responsible for that teacher shortage, then it's safe to say I'm also responsible for the teacher shortage in other countries. But what are the reasons why teachers are leaving? Let's be serious about this and talk about what are the reasons why teachers are leaving the classrooms. Be real about this. If you are a teacher and you left your home country to teach in another country, go ahead and drop in the comment section below the main reason why you made that decision. Like me, I know I had to leave because I was like this high in debt and my salary was not going to cover all that I needed to do. I had just finished my master's. I had borrowed $800,000 from a bank to complete my master's. And you know that's going to be with a high interest rate. Plus, there were other things to be paid. I had to make that decision. Do I stay and try to pay that loan, which is going to take forever? Or am I going to take a chance to help myself? They say God help those who help themselves. And so I had to help myself. So what is your main reason, or what are the reasons why you left the classroom? And apart from that, There were other things that was just not working out, so I had to take a chance somewhere else. I know in the classroom it can be tedious, it can be hard, and it can also make you feel stuck, like you're not going anywhere. And that's not just in Jamaica. I'm telling you, it's not just in Jamaica. You can experience that in any country. Even in the United States, you will experience that. But does that mean you're going to stay there? No. People are leaving because people are realizing we're now living in a global economy, and people can move to different countries, move around to different areas, and earn a living and be financially stable. That's what people are seeking, financial stability. So let's talk some more about some of the main reasons teachers give for leaving their classroom in their home country to teach in another country.
September morning, teachers start all hearty, ready for the work. Instead of a class of 20, our 50 picnic stand up.
This is not tied only to Jamaica, but these are main reasons given by Jamaican teachers. I'm sure if you're from a different country, some of these reasons are going to be similar to the reasons you left your home country. So one of the main reasons that teachers gave why they were leaving the classrooms in Jamaica was because of the high cost of living in Jamaica. And we know it is not cheap to live in Jamaica. It is not. Nothing is cheap. Everything is expensive, and everybody's trying to make something out of whatever they do. Nobody even want to do anything free these days because everybody's trying to be a hustler, I would say. When you look at the Jamaican economy, everybody's trying to get something by some means or the other. And I'm telling you, I have experienced people currently living in Jamaica who have full-time jobs as police officers, as teachers, high-end jobs, but they still have part-time jobs like maybe plumbing or security wiring or security for, clubs and stuff like that. Everybody's still trying to find another way to make that extra funding. So it's not just teachers. And when we say teachers are leaving, we tend to think teachers are the only profession that's leaving Jamaica. That's not true. A lot of other professions are leaving because they are seeking that financial stability. So yes, the high cost of living is one of the first things that teachers talk about when they leave Jamaica. And the next that's in line, and some will say that's the first thing, it is the poor income that's not able to cover their expenses on a monthly basis. Too often you're seeing these associations like JTA or Educom or TIP, they're overflowing with teachers daily. Why? Teachers get paid monthly, yet these institutions have teachers there doing transactions, trying to find some money to do something or to, try to make ends meet until they get their next salary. I don't think that's safe. I don't think that's safe. What about
a teacher? Mother said, you're lucky. So I got the money. And I you.
The reasons why teachers are leaving, they're saying they are not getting that professional growth that they so desire. And I know if you are a follower of this channel, then you would know and you would have heard firsthand from teachers who have come to share their experience that most of the time they feel like they're stuck, like they're not going anywhere. They're just in the classroom, they're not learning anything new, and nothing is available for them. And so they're not getting that feeling of security, like I'm in the classroom and I'm learning something new each day to impart to the children. They're not being motivated to want to stay in the classroom and do more because it's just lacking the professional growth in different areas. Another reason they discussed is the family benefits. They know that if they leave Jamaica and go to a different country, not just themselves will be benefiting, but their families would benefit also, especially if they have younger children who are attending school and they're trying to let their children achieve goals that they could not achieve when they attended school, and they're trying to explore, let their children be more rounded. Then they also think about family benefits. Teachers also talk about the overcrowded classrooms, and we know this is a big deal. The overcrowded classrooms, one teacher to maybe 40 students.
Our 50 picnic stand.
And may I add, no teaching assistant, so that one teacher is responsible for teaching this class for 8 hours per day, no teaching assistant, and all this paperwork that needs to be done is just a lot. When compared to other countries, the teacher-student ratio is different. So, teacher migration is not something new. Teachers have been leaving the classroom for years. It will continue to happen because things are becoming so global, where everybody wants to travel, everybody wants to experience new opportunities. Everybody's trying to not just be stuck in one place for the rest of their lives, but to explore more and get more out of the world. So I think this is something that's not going to be changing anytime soon. I don't know about you. If you think this is going to be slowing down, put it in the comment section below. But I am foreseeing where people are just going to be moving around because of the technology advances. Also, people just want to be adventurous. Nobody wants to feel stuck anymore. Everybody wants to be happy. Everybody wants to travel. Everybody wants to take a chance on themselves. And that's what people are basically doing, taking chances on themselves to see if they can end up with a better life. Because you cannot blame people for wanting a better life. So let's come back to the topic and talk about now. What are the reasons you really believe, or who you think is really responsible for teacher migration in Jamaica? Who do you believe is responsible for this? In my opinion, teachers just want to explore, but others might say something else. If you believe it's something else or someone else, or if you believe the government of Jamaica can do something else to retain their teachers, go ahead and put that in the comment section below. What do you believe the government can do to retain their teachers so that they do not migrate to different countries and they do not face this brain drain? Now, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your notification bells on, and be on the lookout for more videos. Yes, if you need one-on-one consultation on how you can get that teaching job abroad, you can always check out my website at supremacyconnect.com, where I can guide you into getting that teaching job abroad, specifically in the United States. So yes, a big thank you for those who reached out to me to make sure I was doing okay, I was not ill, if everything was going as planned, and I appreciate those viewers so much. For those who did not reach out but you were wondering, yes, I'm fine. I'm still in my grieving phase, but I'm here and I will be sharing with you all the information I have as it relates to teaching abroad. Now,